So we just got her down off the rack, picked up the John Deere S160, it's a 48-inch cut. It's the edge cutting system, whatever that means. But anyways, we'll get this in off, take her down the road, get her off trailer, and let's go try her with a cut. So we got down here to my buddy's garage. We got to trim some of his yard, and then we're going to go down around back and trim out the rest. We'll try this out. Anyways, we got a little bit of grass we can cut, but with the John Deere and the pre-delivery inspection, they don't go and install the front bumper. So you get your tractor all pre-delivery inspected, and then you get your bumper in a box. So some assembly is still required. But we're down in the garage. That's the S160, and you can't get a Deere without having a Timmy's. So we got our Timmy's. Don't know if she's going to be a good tractor or a bad tractor, what kind of tractor, but it's a John Deere tractor. Whatever that means. Okay, so we're down here, we're on the tractor, finally. We got gas in her. We put our bumper on. This is the first start. I think this is, well, no, it ran 0.0 hours on her. It doesn't even tell me how much fuel I got. Must have had a run. Anyways, first start. I think we got her in choke. I don't know if we got to hold her or not. We'll push that brake fancy thing in. Fires right up. Idle's nice and low. Got her flapper down. Got her Timmy's, her smokes, a bottle of water. I think that's all we need. Let's go try her out. To let my buddy try her out, get some video footage of him, I guess, cruising around. It's not cutting too bad. It's a bit of an uneven lawn. She's not no smooth golf course or nothing, but working pretty good. Takes a fairly decent wide cut. Whee! So that's the John Deere S160. If you like this video, give her a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see further content, hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you guys next time. See ya.